Assalamu alaikum. My name is Arslan and I'm your class teacher. Today we will discuss our first lecture. The topic name is, let me show you just a moment. Uh, yeah, here is it. We have, yeah, let's discuss 1.5. Okay. And what is 1.5? Last time we already finished this exercise. So it's not difficult. Okay, so like that, here are the answers. Okay, what are two prime numbers between 20 to 30? These all numbers we discuss. Okay, so I hope you all of you understand these things. Okay, now here let's suppose I just discuss this topic briefly. Okay, just a few things we will discuss. Here he say prime numbers between 20 to 30, that is 23 and 29. Okay, so 30 to 40, 31 and 37, like that, 90 to 100, that is only 97. Yeah. So find the prime factors of each numbers. So you know how to find prime factors. Prime factors means you just need to find the first, you find the factors of 10, then you just check which number is a prime number, just write that number. Okay, here are the answers of 1.5. Now question number 6. Here we have a table. Okay, so he said where are the multiple of 3 and 6. So it's a simple way, you just tell, you just write here the multiple of 6 is here, sorry, multiple of 3 is here as well as here. Okay, and 6, only 6 is here. Okay, so only these two tables are the multiple of 3 and 6. Okay, 3 in multiple of 3, these and these all numbers are included, but multiple of 6, only this line. Okay, so here he just said B part, that there is one column that is total prime number, so this one. Okay, so second, this one is called column. Okay, if he C part, he said if you add more numbers, let's suppose here 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So again, this line is a prime number? No, because 35 is not a prime number. Okay, so you just write here no. Each of these box is a product of two prime numbers. Means here you, according to this question, he said you have there are two numbers when you multiply. Okay, two prime numbers. Okay, so let's suppose if you have one number here and then you multiply and then again you have second number, so its answer must be equal to 226. Okay, so let me show you what is the answer. Like here, okay, sorry. So like this, you understand this one all. There are two numbers, once you multiply, so you will get your answers. So let me show you its answer. Okay, here, so its answer is not mentioned here, so I will show you in the class, inshallah. Each of the number in the box is the product of two prime numbers. Yeah, so you just write two prime numbers here, like I think 11 and 13. No, not 11 and 13, it's 13 and 17, I hope, or dead nearly. Okay, because 17 and 13 are the prime numbers, so you just multiply and get the answer. So we have a lot of things here, like you also write 113 multiplied by 2, so this is also the answer, so I also mention here. So these two are prime numbers. Just wait for Azan. Okay, class, back to our class. Okay, now here Hassan is thinking, discover a way to find the prime numbers. Okay, so he just find like he said we increase here odd number, then here even number, so we will get the same answer like 11 plus 2 13, 13 plus 2 4 17, 17 plus 6 33. So is it possible that he will get we will find these numbers easily? So let's check. So I don't think so. Is it possible? Because there are few numbers. Okay, let's suppose I'm talking about 8. Okay, so 23 plus 8 31, 38 plus 1, 38 plus 10. Uh, sorry, 23 plus 8, that is 31. 31 plus as it is same, so that is equal to 41. Okay, so like that. Maybe is it possible because but I according to me is it not possible. So let me show you later on. Okay, find two prime factors. Find two prime factors. Here we have just a moment. Okay, find two prime different prime numbers that add up to 18. Means which two prime numbers? It's so easy. So you just write here 17 plus no, not 17, sorry, what to make 18, 11 plus 7. Okay, so it's equal to 18. To different prime factor, yes. 26, how to make 26? That is 17 and 3 and 6, 17, no, not 9, 23 plus 3. Okay, so that is 26. How to make 30? So as it is like that, 20 3 plus 7. Okay, so we will make it 30. How many different pairs you can make? So it's up to you. You also use a different pairs, okay, to make it, and then you mention here. Okay, so let's start a few questions of today, the new topic. Okay, so you also try to complete this exercise 1.6. Write down the first 10 squares. Okay, first 10 squares numbers are like it's so easy. It's talking about 1. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49, 8 square is 64, 9 square is 81, and 10 square is 100. Okay, so these are first 10 squares. So find 15 square, okay, and 20 square. Find 15 square. 15 square is equal to 225. Okay, 15, the first one is 225, so I write it 225, and 20 square is 400. Okay, so list all the square number in each range. So here you just write this how many square range after 10. Okay, so you will find before 15 you will finish, like 11 is equal to 121. Okay, let's suppose 11 is equal to 121. Okay, and 12 is equal to 144. Okay, 12 is equal to 144, and 13 is equal to 169, and 14 is equal to 100, and um, I'm not sure, let me check this. Okay, just one. I think 14 is equal to 1 more than 169. It's nearly 200. Okay, so here we have 196. Okay, so now just write here 196. So we have four numbers. Okay, that is 11, 12, 13, and 14 when we square. So its the answer is like that. Okay, so like this you are finding for B part and C part. Okay, now I hope you understand. Okay, here he said that if you have a question number 4, here he write if you have these questions like 3 squared and 4 squared equal to what? 3 squared is equal to 9, and plus 4 squared is equal to 16. Okay, so that is equal to 25. So what is the power of this one is called 3 squared plus 4 squared, that is equal to 25, sorry, 5 squared. Okay, so you just need to write only this one that I mentioned. Now this is the answer. So here you write only 5. So I hope it's not difficult. So here you write just 5 because that is the square of 5. 5. This one is as it is same. 8 squared is 64. 6 squared is equal to 100. So that is square of 10. Okay, here you write 10. So as it is same, you just finish this all. So it's not difficult. Here I think its answer is 13. Yeah, its answer is 13, and this answer is 225 and 64. I think 17. I think 17. Okay. So find two square numbers that add up to make up 20 square. So from these answers that I mentioned already here, like squares of 10 and like these all numbers. So which two numbers you add up, make this one like that, okay? So which two numbers you are adding to make 20? Like here he make 10. So you just add two square numbers. So which square numbers, more you square numbers you add to make it 20? So then number in the box are square, okay? So find the factor does each of these number have, okay? So this will have a square number, this will 25 is a square number, okay? How many factor does each of these number have? Is it true that square number always has been odd numbers of factors? And give the reason of your answer. Okay, now first of all you just find which one is the square number. So square number is 16, 25. So the mostly all are the square numbers. Okay, how many factor does each of these number have? So for this one we just need to find the factors. So here we have, so here are the answers. So read 12, okay, and 16. No, yeah, no, sorry, this is question number 6. 5, that is the square of 25. 3 square of 9, okay. 9 is equal to 81. 3, 9. So we just write all the numbers, okay. So just give them a sequence, okay, and all are odd numbers. Okay, yeah, it's true that factor come in a pair that are multiple to make the number. This will make the total even number unless the one factor multiply itself by a given number. So this is happen only with the square number. So these things are happen only in the square numbers. So here I just finished my lecture today. Okay, so if you have any question, anytime you feel free to ask me. So inshallah, I already teach you all these things in the class. If you have any more questions, so ask me. Thank you. Take care. Goodbye.